These are very good products, but hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to try out K-Beauty eyeshadow crayons for you guys. Now I already have my thoughts ready, so it won't take a lot of time, and I only used one shadow. And also guys, please, if you're watching these videos, subscribe to my channel. It is really important for my growth, or else I won't be able to produce these videos for you guys. It's tough to set up all these things and come and film and not get the feedback. So just do that. Just subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and then also go to my Instagram because I create all these different looks in there. I hope you guys will like it, so give me a follow there. Also, a giveaway is coming guys, so you need to follow me on Instagram for that. Yes, that is all I wanted to say, and now let's just get started. So these are all the shades that I have. What an awesome way to show you guys what shades I have. So yeah, this is all the shades. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, which you should totally do, then you already have seen some of the swatches and the looks that I created with these things. So I thought I have never done a video on these on YouTube. So first I'll give you all the swatches of the shades and then I'll start with the application. So I have 5 crayons with me and this is how they look. So they are all like color coordinated in the center, and the cap and the bottom is white. These are the names which you can hardly see. As this is a quick review and tutorial, I'll give you guys all the information right while I swatch. So I have only one matte shade. So I'll totally encourage you guys to try the mattes because they are my favorite from the lot. They are so good. I like the mattes the best. So this is the shade Glory and it's this beautiful cool toned brown shade. This is so amazing for transition and I really like how the shade blends too. This is the second shade and the first metallic shade that I have. It's called Bare Metal and I really love this shade. It's a very beautiful shade to apply all over your lids. It's this beautiful skin-like sheen finish product and I really love this one. So this is a khaki green shade with gold reflex and this is what we are going to use today. This shade is called Highborn. I don't know how it blends and so today we are going to try this shade out. So this is the shade. I think it looks very pretty while I swatch it. So yes, we are going to test this product out today. The second last shade is called Temptation and it's this beautiful reddish shade. This shade, however, does not have any glitter reflex or any glitter as such in it. I'll give you guys a closer look. So you can see it just is metallic but it has no shimmers in it and I haven't yet tried this product out. So yeah, I'll try this out on my Instagram. So if you guys want a tutorial on this, you can go there, but I think this is a very beautiful shade. So the last shade is called Temptation and I have done a swatch video tutorial on this on my Instagram. Now this shade is very similar to the shade Temptation. This also does not have any glitter in it. It has just this metallic sheen to it, but it is very pigmented and you can see it is very pigmented. All the shades are and they are super long lasting too. Now as I told you guys, I have used these products in past. So I have some thoughts and some reviews ready for you guys. So I'll first tell you that what do I think about these products and then I'll give you a timestamp here of where the tutorial starts. Among all these shades, I love the matte ones best. I only have one. I wish I had like gotten more shades and I wish they had more fun shades like this. But unfortunately, they only have really skin-like shades in this and they don't have any blue, pinks, reds. So yes, I hope they come up with more shades because I love this product. They are so blendable and they are very pigmented and very nice. Now coming to these products, I want to say that what I found after using all of these were that the blendability depends on the shade. Like I'll tell you, this shade, it is Bare Metal. It is so amazing and it is so pigmented and so blendable. It does not really stick to your skin. You don't have to work hard basically. But they do set really fast, so obviously you have to like keep up. But this shade is very blendable and very easy to work with. Now about this shade we'll learn today. I don't know, but I hope they will be similar because these two kind of have like the same formula. These two have the glitter particles in them and they are more sparkly and shiny, so I hope they work. These two are of same kind again, as I said that these two have glitter particles in it. They are nice and shimmery, but these two are just like metallic. Now you can see they are all set. Even if I want, I can't remove them. They are so good. Do you see anything coming off? It is that long lasting. So definitely if you want a long lasting thing, you have to go for these. These are extremely long lasting. I was super skeptical before using these because I thought crayons do not work and only like powder stuff works. But honestly, after trying these, this range from K-Beauty, I definitely changed my mind. They are supremely long lasting. So now for this shade, when I use this, I did have a little bit of hard time blending this. I'll tell you why. Because if your eyelids are not moisturized and if they are dry and they have dry patches, this will stick onto that, and that did happen to me. Then I have removed the whole eyeshadow, and it is not easy to remove them as well, you know. I have removed it. I have applied eye cream, or you can apply a moisturizer too. So make sure if before using these your eyes are really nicely moisturized, or else these are going to stick to the dry patches. These come for 599 rupees each, and currently they are on discounts. I'm currently checking them on Nykaa. By the way, they are not available anywhere else. They are exclusively Nykaa products. They are on 15% sale, 15% off, and they have quite amazing shade range. So the metallic ones, the metallic shadows have 12 shades in them, and the matte shadows have 8 shades. Also, if you buy 1500 or usse upar, then you are getting a lipstick free. I did get a lipstick free, which I don't have in here. But yes, I did get the lipstick free, and the quality is so top notch. So K-Beauty is basically in collaboration with Nykaa. It's Katrina's collaboration with Nykaa. So that is K-Beauty. So yes, let's just get started with the eye look. I do want to use the matte shade also to show you guys. For blending this, you can totally use your own fingers or makeup brushes. Both of them works. So let's just start with this shade. And again, this is the matte shade, and I'm going to start by applying it to my crease. So you can see this shade is almost like my own skin color, and it's buttery soft. So for this, I'm going to take my fingers and I'm just going to blend it. Still, I'm a brush girl, guys. I have to go in with brush even if I'm using my fingers, and I'm totally okay with it. So yes, I'll just do that. And as a wash of color also on your lids, the shade is so good. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take it all over my lids. So that is how easily it blends with your fingers. Now let me try my brush. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush. Basically a blending buffing brush. So I'm just going to take it a little bit down what is it called? Lower lash line, like this. And it's very easy. You can use them on your waterline too. I think I'm going to go a little smoky with this. So I'm going to start off with my lash line, near my lash line. The bad thing is they do not come with a sharpener of their own, and this size is pretty difficult to find in a normal regular sharpener. Oh, that went on real easy, like it just glided on. And I'm going to use my brush to blend it up. That was easy. But as of now, I don't see any such color payoff, like the shimmer payoff or anything. So I'm going to apply a little bit more, like so. And I'm going to blend it upwards. And these work as beautiful base also for your eyeshadows. It's not bad. So as you're seeing, I'm building up the shade and not really like piling on the shade at once. So I'm just going to do it with my fingers now. My fingers look so weird like this. Anyway, I'm going to use my fingers for this side. I think I like it better with fingers. Make sure you're not taking your time, like not too much time to blend it, because it will set. Oh, this one looks better. So I'm going to take the same on my waterline. This actually works really nice. I think beginners are going to love these crayons. So I'm actually going to use some kohl. So I'm going to put on some mascara and lipstick and be right back. So this is the completed look. I think I went overboard with the liner, but anyway, I have my final thoughts. So my final thoughts are, these are very good products, but let me just come to the pros and cons. So the pros are, these are beginner friendly. They have a lot of shades and they have options for matte and metallic. They are quite affordable, if you might say that, because again, affordability is different for different people. Again, if you take this thing in consideration that you could buy a palette for 600 rupees and not only one shade, that also makes sense. But again, that comes for your preference. Now, these are not absolute essentials, at least the shimmery shade. These are not essentials. You can definitely get like bare metal or the matte shades. They are like multi-purpose use shades, you know, but these shades are not necessary. So if you want to try them, then give them a go. It's not like you have to have them in your van. Again, the color payoff is okayish and it depends on each shade. I truly believe that the color payoff depends on different shades. Like this one has a little bit less of payoff, this one has a lot of payoff. So you know, it depends. And again, if your eyes are dry or something like that, this will get patchy. So yeah, that is all I want to say. I do like these products. I'm no way shaming or bashing this brand. This is a very good brand and I do like these products. But these are not essentials. That is all I wanted to say. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. The link is in the description box. Also, all the products are going to be listed in the description box too. So yes, see you next time. Bye.